Hey guys, it's Chris the Mechanic here. In today's video, I'm going to be replacing rear brake pads for Mazda Axela 2007. So I'm gonna be filming the whole thing while I'm replacing the brake pads. So stay tuned guys, let's go. Tools for that. Here guys, so here are the tools that we're gonna need while you're working on the car. Let's put this one. I'm not gonna put the handbrakes on because I'm gonna be replacing the rear brake pads. 21 is 21. So we'll check the brake fluid reservoir if it's in the correct level. As you can see guys, I don't know if you could see in the camera, it's in the max level, so which is good. But make sure as you push the piston in the brake caliper, make sure that this don't overflow. But to be sure, you can place a rags here just in case. Just place the rag underneath, just in case. Just don't forget to remove the rag here because this one might fall, because this might get sucked inside, Just don't forget. Put the vehicle up and we gotta do it one at a time. Not to rush. No rush for this. Now you can remove the wheels. Just place the wheels underneath for extra support. Much easier. Place the wheel underneath. So now you can start working on the car. Remove the cup here, the cup behind. There's a cover, there's a cap there. Just remove it, and should be able to have access here. It looks like it's a Allen key or something. Yes, it's an Allen key. Yeah, and there you go, easy. Take it out. Just push the scalp screw out. Just make sure not to damage the threads. So that's that. You don't have to remove all the way down. So now, just pull this caliper out the way. Let's do that like that. Grab your body cord. Grab your body cord so it won't fall. Just hang it anywhere. Just hang it like that. So now, let's remove the brake pad. Grab the brand new brake pads and compare. It's the same size. Seems like it's the same. So now I'm gonna install the new brake pads, but before that, try to clean the brake rotors as much as you can with the sandpaper. Scrub the edge. You see the rust. Make sure the rotor is clean before installing the new brake pads. And then also the back. And then now just spray it with a brake cleaner. Wipe the back. Now you can install the new brake pads. There's 2 dots on the back, which is I think the spring one. You can see, just always make sure that you put the brake pads in correct place. So this brake pad with the spring right here has to go in the back. There's a piston mark there. Just place that in the back. Right here. There you go. So now to that, make sure it's sitting nicely. Now we will push the piston in. Just grab it, put it in. Oops. Like that. Now guys, it's going back now, so you can see it's turning. But of course, check the brake fluid reservoir. The brake fluid level is rising up, so just keep in mind, guys. So make sure that, you know, just don't push it all the way down, otherwise you're gonna make a mess your engine. So just make sure, just try if it's gonna fit now. So I'll just release this. Remove the bungee cord and push it more. As you can see, now it's all the way on the top. So just close it. Piston's already in. You can see, guys, this should go in easily now. There you go. Now it's in place, and just lock it, just turn it. So guys, by the way, don't forget to put your springs back on. I'm gonna put this back on now, the wheels. So I have to track this down. So now you're gonna do the same thing on this side. And then don't forget the spring. Forget the spring. Put it on. Pump the brakes a few times. It's good. So just don't forget to remove this rag out of the way before starting up the engine. Otherwise, this one's gonna be sucked in or going to those pulleys, you know, it's bad. So keep that in mind. Put the nuts. car down and then torque the nuts. So put the handbrake on first. Put the handbrake. Just torque it in crisp pattern so it's even. Pump the brakes. So I'm gonna check the brake fluid again to be sure. So the fluid is in the right level, so which is good. I'll just go for a quick run and then that's it. Good. Just pull up your handbrake and then just gently push the accelerator. Not too much, just a little bit. Yeah, so this is a good hold. So if you feel like your car is not like going forward, just a little forward, which is good. But if it's not, but if your car just keeps on moving forward with the handbrakes on, which means, you know, you need to adjust. It's either you have an air in your system, you have to adjust your handbrake cables here. There's an adjuster here under this hand lever. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked the video. Please give me a thumbs up if this helps you removing your brake pads. Just subscribe to my channel. Just let me know, guys, if there's, you know, anything that I did wrong. Feel free to correct me. Just correct me if I'm wrong to what I did. So yeah, as always, thank you guys and keep safe. Peace. Ciao.